In this video, we'll see how to connect and utilize Phrase's Google Docs add-on. In your settings view inside of Frase, click the Integrations tab on the left. Then click the Install Add-on button. In the following Google Workspace page that comes up, click the Install button and sign into the Google account you wish to use. Now in your Google Docs document, click the Extensions option and mouse over Frase and then click Start Plugin. The sidebar should open up and your next step would be to log into your Frase account. Note, the Google Docs add-on is only available for team plan documents and will not work with documents from a basic or solo plan. When the sign-in is complete, paste the Frase document link and click the Link Document button. When the top search results for that document finish processing, you'll see the SERP and Optimize tabs. In the SERP tab, the header structures of top-ranking results for the document are visible, and you can directly cite any of this information with a couple of clicks. For example, why is small business marketing important? From Forbes. I'll just click the Paste button, and you'll see it pastes the header, the content under the header, and the link where it's from. In the Optimize tab, the yellow bar will note the average score across the competitors, and you want to try to exceed that score. Aim to add topics that are gray with a 0, marketing channels for example, or any yellow ones which mean the topic needs to be mentioned more, for example, content marketing. Simply type the topic in your editor. Or click the Paste button next to a topic to add it into your editor. And you may notice the score bump up. That's it for the Google Docs plugin. Thanks for watching.